Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to tackle about how to download Baldur's Gate 3 on PC. First thing you need to do is to download the Steam app on your PC. Then log into your account or just create an account if you still don't have one. You can download the Steam app on their official website, as you can see on the screen. Now, after downloading the Steam app, open it and then log in. Now, in here, simply click the search bar icon, then type Baldur's Gate 3 and click on this one. After that, enter your birth date to continue. In the game page, scroll down and look for the Add to Cart button. Then click it. Next, select Purchase for myself. Then select the drive you want to install the game. Note that you must have enough balance to be able to purchase this game. After downloading the app, you can access this by going to the library section on the Steam. And then it will show here all of the games that you have. Simply click the game and select play. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.